Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Capcut without watermark for free. Let's get started, but don't tell Capcut. Firstly, open your video. Look, it's paid, but no problem, we will solve that for free. Make sure your video's corner is empty. And then export. Go to the app you want to share it. Select the video. Go ahead. Then here press to text. Put the letter I with white color. Make it bigger. And then put it on the Capcut logo. Press over it and hit Edit button. Make the color the same as your background. Save the video. Look, now our video is without watermark.